usapan natin yung tungkol sa impeachment. Pero parang feeling ko, ano naman yun kung meron mang mangyayaring ganyan, biglaan yan dahil syempre meron din pwede mag-file na parang ano lang yan na parang basta for the sake of magpa-file.
Yun nga.
Oo. Yun ay madidismiss din eventually kasi it's not, yung form and substance will not be proven. So, basura. Ibabasura. So, ang ano po dyan ay kumbaga kung meron ba talagang seryoso magpa-file niyan, yun yung magugulat tayo na bigla na lang yung magpa-file. Hindi yan yung tipong kasi unahan yan, mga kapatid.
Pwede kasing nag-file lang to prevent yung mas mabigat na grounds for impeachment.
Kasi bawal, 'di ba, within a year kung nag-file na ng impeachment, bawal mag-file pa muli until after
nangyari na
a
po
year
yan
has passed.
before. Alam mo, Chiki, na talagang unang araw pa lang ng pagbubukas doon na si sumalangit nawa, Attorney Oliver Lozano. At magpa-file na siya. Pero usually, pina-file niya, madidismiss yun kasi yung form and substance nga, mabubutasan siya. So, wala rin. So, kung gusto mo mag-file, next year na ulit. So, by next year, uunahan ka na naman ni Oliver Lozano. So, taktika ang kailangan dyan. Pero, nagkaroon pa rin ng statement. Hindi pa ba natin na-playback tong statement? O, Chiki, mukhang kailangan basahin. Ang naging pahayag ni Vice President Sara Duterte tungkol sa impeachment.
Ngayong araw lang pala tong statement na to. Ang sabi po, the latest pronouncement by some members of the House of Representatives on a new impeachment complaint is not surprising. Its timing reveals a pattern that has become all too familiar. Not long ago, Senator Chis Escudero, Representative Toby Tiangco, and several House members revealed that back in February 2024, signatures for my impeachment were being courted in exchange for budget allocations. Their statements have unmasked the truth that the impeachment complaint against me was never really driven by principle, but by price.
So, file ka ng impeachment, kapalit, alokasyon. Ganun
Yan. So, ano lang yun, parte lang po yan ng mahaba niyang statement. Inilift lang po namin yung pertinent part ng kanyang statement, mga kapatid. Yung buo po niyan ay nakapost na po sa aming mga social media accounts ng One News at 1PH at News 5.